What are we doing today?
Easter eggs.
Easter eggs on the
Train.
on the train. We're going on an Easter train because whenever I don't have anything planned, I'm like, oh my god, the days are so long. But whenever we've got something planned, we're all right, aren't we? So we're going to go on an Easter train, just Mummy and Noe, and it's going to be really fun. So we're going to film it. Where are we going? Are you excited? Yeah.
Before,
I like your outfit.
Have you been here before?
No.
Put yourself with the side of that silver one there.
Yeah.
Where do you come from?
Cambridge.
Oh, well, you're here now. Enjoy yourself.
Thank
and chill
you.
out. It's a lovely day and even warm in the sunshine.
Yeah. What were you singing when we were in the car? Whoa. Carrots. Whoa. Carrots. It's coming past. What do you think? We're going to go on that in a minute. Can you wave? Hi everyone. You waving? But first, coffee. He's so excited. I'm so excited. This is so nice.
Bye-bye, everyone.
It is a big choo-choo train.
We are on a track.
Yeah. Oh, look at all the carrots.
They are so pretty.
Yeah. The carrot market.
Loads of carrots.
What else can you see, Noe? A little house. Little house.
Yeah.
Oh. Salad, broccoli. Yeah. Look, it's a little cottage, Noe.
Wait, do you hear that? It sounds like there's some sort of party going on. But that's strange. I don't remember seeing the Easter Bunny around. Something else
Is it the Easter
going
Bunny?
on. You'd better go and investigate. I'm sure there'll be a mystery for you to solve within. Driver, best send.
What a wonderful dance, everyone! Thank you so much for inviting me to your Easter feast this year.
Of course, you're always welcome. And good morning to all of you as well.
To give that one more go, everyone. In 1, 2, 3.
Wake up, Easter Bunny! Well, hippity hoppity hi, everyone. Who was? Yes.
I will need some volunteers.
Wow. Thank you. Wow, you got a present. What is it? What is it? Chicken. Is it? It's a squishy Easter egg, isn't it? That was really good, wasn't it?
Yeah, very good.
And you got a present. What's in there? House. It's a magic fairy house. Who lives in there? Can I have a coffee, please?
But I have
Oh. Oh, it's a hospital. Okay. Oh, thank you. Is that for me?
A name I call myself, for a long, long way to run. You know it. So a needle put in thread, learn a note to follow. So tea I drink with jam and bread. That will bring.
Did you have fun?